Hello, you guys. Welcome back to Dawn Today's Cleaning LLC. I am back, Tay the admin. I wanted to come up, and show face, y'all. How are you guys doing? I want to engage with you guys today. Today is Friday, October the 10th, and I am here as scheduled. So, I told you guys that we were going to talk about today about prices for Dawn Today's cleaning business. So we have packets. So when you come into the office and you meet with me, which is me, Tay, the admin, I would give you guys a package. And the package that we have is just, introducing you guys to our company, letting you know the services that we offer. Also, by partnering with us, we can focus on the completion of the turnover apartments, clean up, ensure spaces are pristine and ready for occupancy. We offer flexible scheduling, quick turnarounds, and we have competitive pricing to fit your needs for your project. All right, and that's any project that you may have. So you also can email us at Dawn Today's Cleaning. So it would be DawnToday'sCleaning@gmail.com. You can email us. You also can call us at our number, which is 804-830-7096. So that's our new number. Okay, we're coming out with new cars with our new number. We had to change a little bit of stuff in our business. You know how business owners we just have a lot of stuff that we have to do. So that's what we're doing to make sure we have everything correct for you guys when we pass out our cards. And once we do the grand opening, we want to make sure that everything is done right, flyers is done right, cards are done right. So we're just making sure everything is right. I don't want to take too much of your time, you guys, because I know our attention spans are like this. So I'm just going to keep on going. Okay, so when you come in our book, we have our phone number. We thank you for coming in. We also do commercial and residential properties. All right. So why you choose us? We have a professional staff, we have flexible scheduling, and we have affordable rates. So that's why we feel like you should come with us, Dawn Today's Cleaning Business. All right. Let's keep going. We do carpet and floor care. We do window washing. We do office cleaning. We do home cleaning services. All right. Our service, we do kitchen, living room, gardens, bedrooms, offices. Also, our prices are competitive and affordable. So it's like 50 to 90, 30 to 40, 50 to 150, 60 to 200, and 70 to 300. All right. We do time, daily, weekly, monthly. We can do you 10 times. We can do you 2 times. It depends on what you want done in your home or your complex. So we also give you a 10% sale when you come with us and you get on board and you sign a contract. We give you that 10%. Also, let's get into the terms and conditions like deposit and payment. So deposit, okay. So how can I put this? The deposit comes out of your whole payment, okay? So we're not going to charge you a deposit and then you pay us what you owe us. And it's required when booking. Full payment is due upon service completion. So we accept cash, credit, and bank transfer. So now we're up and running. So we can take cards, cash, and we do banking as well. We have a late payment. So that's 5% monthly fee on overdue payments after 14 days. Okay, you guys? Cancellation is free if it's done 48 hours before we come. Okay? 48 hours before we come. All right? Schedule at that time. Otherwise, deposit is forfeited. So that means we keep your deposit if you don't communicate with us. And we're very easy to communicate with. So long as you communicate with me, let me know what's going on. We will get what you need done. All right. Complaints is with 24 hours. Okay. Warrant a free re-clean of the area. So basically, if you don't like what we do, we can come back and clean it again. And if you're not like, if you don't like what we service, then we will give you your deposit back. All right. Clients must provide property access for scheduled cleaning. Property conditions must be clutter free and it must be safe for cleaning, okay? Because we have to come in there and clean. We don't need everything and everywhere. You know what I mean? And utilities, you have to have running water, electricity, and required. And like I told you guys, we have a packet. So we will give you the packet and you can run through and see what you like. If you want to run through what we have, you can do that. We have plenty of time for that. Damages. You have to report the damages, y'all. If any damages is done to your house, please report it to us, okay? Within 24 hours. All right. Our services. Okay. So we're done with the payment part. So we do bathroom, kitchen, bedrooms, and other areas. So we do furnish polishing, sofas and cushions. We do window sills, stairs, vacuuming, mirror polish, floor vacuumed, and mop. So like I said, our services, when you come in, we have a booklet. So basically, we have everything in here that I just talked to you guys about. And you can look through this booklet. You can keep this booklet. This is what we have with our business. Okay, we have the prices and everything. So when you guys come, you will be able to get this booklet and we can talk about everything that I am talking about within the booklet. Also, the contract that we have that you will sign, you will read over. And if you agree with everything, you will sign. So now that we got that done, I'm just so excited, you guys, for the grand opening. We're getting the grand opening together. We want everyone to come out. We want it to be a beautiful day when you guys come out. We're going to have everything for you guys. We're going to have booklets out. We're going to have prizes. We're going to have people that's going to win different things, gift baskets. We have all that on that day. So we want everybody to come out, but we're trying to have a day where it is beautiful day, where everybody can come out and we have fun. So I'm so glad to be here. I'm glad to be back. I'm glad you guys are seeing me back in the chair because that's where I belong. I am Tay the admin, if you didn't know. So when you see us on Facebook, Instagram, that is me posting. When you see me live, that is me posting. I am Tay the admin. Also, Dawn Thomas. She is the owner. Okay. And y'all will see her on her page, Dawn Thomas, where she comes on there and she talks to you guys about different things that's going on in the business and how she feels for today. That is her page. And she will talk to you guys on the Dawn Thomas page. I will talk to you on Octavia Thomas page and on here live. So you guys can comment, talk. You can come in my inbox. You can also write me on my email, Octavia Thomas at Gmail. So it's Octavia Thomas 41 at gmail.com. Okay. Octavia Thomas 41 at gmail.com. If you have any questions, you can talk to me on my Facebook, Instagram, or email. Okay. So we are on all social sites, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. We're on everything. Okay. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to call us at the number that we have on the bottom of the screen. And we appreciate everybody's business. And I am out. See you guys later. Bye.